Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to claim today uh 1 million daily reward on Hamster Kombat for today 8th August 2024. So as usual, let's click on daily cipher, and the first alphabet of the day is letter C. So to get the letter C, we need to tap on the logo and hold it for some seconds. Tap on it once and tap and hold it for some seconds again, and then tap on it once again. So let's go guys. So the second alphabet today is letter R. So to get the letter R, tap on the logo once, tap and hold it for some seconds, and then tap on it once again. So guys, the next alphabet now is letter Y. So to get the letter Y, tap on the logo and hold it for some seconds. Tap on it once, and then tap and hold it for some seconds 2 times again. And the next alphabet is letter P. So to get the letter P, we need to tap on the logo once, tap and hold it for some seconds 2 times, and then tap on it once again. So guys, the next alphabet is letter T. So to get the letter T, we just need to tap on the logo and hold it for some seconds once. And the next alphabet is letter O. So to get letter O, we need to tap on the logo and hold it for some seconds 3 times continuously. So that is all for today guys. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new video on this channel.